Should I go for MDS? The most crucial question every dental graduates facing nowadays. I am Dr. Vandana Gade, endodontist by profession and working as a professor in dental college. I am having 20 years of experience and my dear students, today I will focus both the aspect of MDS. आपको MDS करना चाहिए या नहीं? I have witnessed the golden period of dentistry, but unfortunately, this golden period is over, and then there is a huge competition and the saturation. So, in this current scenario, this question carries a more importance whether you should go for MDS or not. I have seen many students who didn't do the MDS, but they are very successfully managing their clinical practice. But I have also seen the few students who did their MDS but not successful in life. So, success in life does not depend upon your degree, but it depends upon your attitude, your knowledge, and your skill about the subject. In this video, I will explain and emphasizes both the aspect of this question. So dear students, before taking any decision, just ask these 5 questions to yourself and analyze that questions faithfully and then take the wise decision. So the question number 1, have you decided to join the dentistry with a conscious mind? I have seen many students, they took the admission in the dentistry because they missed their MBBS seat just by few marks, or there is a very huge fees in private MBBS college which is not affordable to their parents. Sometimes there is an urge for that doctor degree. Sometimes you left the mathematics subject in your 11th and 12th standard and you think that there is no options apart from the dentistry field. Sometimes there is a parental pressures to take the admission in dentistry because they want that their kid should be called as a doctor. 5 years before, you are not mature enough to take the decision with a conscious mind. So these are the reasons that you opt the dentistry 5 years before. But I have seen that 70 to 75 students opted the dentistry with these reasons only, but eventually they liked the dentistry and they took the interest in the dentistry career. But unfortunately, 20 to 25% students, they didn't like the dentistry even after spending the 5 years in this field. Question number 2 that you should ask to yourself is, how was your BDS journey? As a career counselor, I want to say you that if you want to be a successful in your profession, 3 things are very important. That is your aptitude, your skill, and your interest. If all these 3 qualities were absent during your BDS course, then how you are going to be successful during your MDS course? Because basically you are not having a liking or interest for the dentistry subject. Think over it. Do the psychometric test. Contact with a very good career counselor and then took a decision whether I should continue the dentistry as a profession or I should shift to another profession. Question number 3. Are you passionate about any particular branch of the dentistry? During the journey of the dentistry, you may develop the interest for particular subject. You may like the root canal treatment procedure, you may like the orthodontia subject, you may like the oral surgery. So analyze that whether you have developed a liking for a particular subject or not. But if you have the interest for all branches of the dentistry and you can do confidently all the procedures related to general dentistry, then there is no need to go for MDS course. In fact, you can do a various advanced courses like rotary endodontics or lasers, or you can do implant course and develop that skill in your private practice. Question number 4. Should I do MDS because my other friends are also doing the MDS? Never rush to MDS course because your friends are doing MDS. Never follow the herd. Stay away from the rat race. Every individual is unique. Even I can say, don't do MDS just because your friends are doing. Your friend doing the MDS because he may have interest in the dentistry. But If you don't have interest and skill, then think over it before taking the decision of joining the MDS course. Question number 5, that is financial issue. If you are very good in study and you believe in your hard work, desire, determination, and you think that, okay, I will get my seat in government dental college, then finance is not an issue. In fact, the fees in the government college is very less as compared to the private colleges. And top of that, you will get a stipend which ranges from 40,000 to 60,000 in government dental college. So finance is not issue for that. But every year, approximately 30,000 BDS students are. Out of this, only 6,000 MDS seats from government and the private colleges, and out of the 6,000, less than 1,000 seats for your MDS course in government dental college. So the chances of getting the seat is in government college is less. Then you may think that I will join the private college in clinical subject. But if you think to get a seat in private college, then you may require 30 to 40 lakh rupees. But if you think to get a seat in a private college, then you have to take a loan. By taking a 30 to 50 lakh rupees loan for private college for clinical subject may be a great risk, as there is no job in the dental colleges, plus salary is not also good, so there may be a problem or repayment of your loan. So think over it if you are having a financial problem before taking the seat in private dental college. My dear student, there are other options are also available apart from your clinical practice or MDS course. But for that, you have to do the SWOT analysis. You have to identify your strength, your weaknesses, focus on your strength and focus on your inner voice. Remember that you are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. It's not a matter of 5 years. It's a matter of your life. So take the decision wisely. I will focus why one should do MDS in current scenario. I will explain the 10 facts about it. Fact number 1, that is good reputation and recognition. MDS is the highest degree in the dentistry, no doubt. Nowadays, PhD options are also available, but for PhD also, MDS is mandatory. Fact number 2, that is specialization. If you are interested in a particular field and you want to do the specialization in that particular field, then MDS is mandatory. Getting a specialization in particular field definitely widens your scope in the field of dentistry. There is a saturation in the dentistry, I accept it, but it is at the ground layer. Once you specialize in a particular field and as you go up, there is not a saturation at all. So, if you want to be a specialized in particular field, MDS is mandatory. Fact number 3, that is academics. If you are interested in teaching field, then also MDS is mandatory. For any government or private dental college, MDS degree is must if you want to start your career as a lecturer. Eventually, you will become associate professor and professors. Some of you may be the head of the institute. But if you don't opt MDS, then this route is completely closed for you. Fact number 4, MDS provides the extra edge in your practice. MDS course offers high level of clinical proficiency and the knowledge. And because of that, it provides an extra edge over the BDS dental graduate. Fact number 5, high chances in government job. You can get a job in government dental college or very prestigious institute like AIMS if you complete your MDS course. For such institutes, MDS is compulsory. Fact number 6, that is be expert in advanced dentistry. In current scenario, MDS is common, but you can choose any particular field like laser or implant dentistry or TMJ and occlusion, and you can do a very advanced dental practice. Believe me, in India, very few experts are available in advanced dentistry. Fact number 7. After MDS, you can work as a consultant and you can earn a huge amount of money. My many students are earning 1.5 to 2 lakhs every month as a consultant. Fact number 8, research field. A MDS professional can join as a researcher in any pharmaceutical or dental manufacturing company and earn a very good amount of money. Fact number 9, that is overseas opportunities. After MBS, you can get a direct recruitment in Gulf countries and you can have a high chance of getting to earn a huge amount of money. Fact number 10, good scope of practice as compared to BDS dentists. As you know, in these days, people will prefer specialized doctors in every field. So naturally, the people will prefer the MDS doctor as compared to the BDS doctor. Therefore, you can earn more money as compared to your BDS dental graduate. In techno-savvy world, MDS dentist is preferred over BDS dentist. Dear student, if you want to continue the dentistry as your career field, then you must go for MDS course. To get the admission in a MDS course is not an easy task. For that, you require positive attitude and proper planning. If you want to crack your NEET MDS examination, then don't miss my next video on MDS preparation. If you find this video helpful, then please share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.